Good morning, how can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to book a tour to Burra Bay National Park.
Certainly. We do tours from Astana on Mondays and Wednesdays.
Do you have any on the weekend?
Yes, we just started a new tour on Saturdays.
Perfect. I'll take that one, please.
Right. The bus leaves Astana at 9 o'clock in the morning. The journey there takes just over 3 hours, and the tour is 12 hours in total.
Okay, can you tell me a few things about the tour?
Well, you'll see the amazing Lake Borovoi, as well as the mysterious rock, which is supposed to look like a woman with her hair blowing in the wind. You'll also have lunch at a lovely local cafe. But the first thing you'll see on the way there is the famous Khan's Pass.
When will we leave the national park?
The coach will leave for Astana at 6 p.m. and you'll arrive back in the city a little after 9 p.m.
How much is a ticket for one person?
It's £152. How would you like to pay? You can pay with cash, debit card, or cheque.
I'll pay with cash, please. Here you are.
Thank you. What's your name?
Joe Hill.
Okay, your booking number is BR900123. We look forward to seeing you again.
Thanks for your help. Goodbye.